Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video is gonna be very amazing. As you read in the caption, I am donating my hair and I planned a lot about it, and finally I've decided that I will be donating my hair. And if you guys don't know my hair length, so this is the length of my hair, like this much, and I will be donating them. सो ये मैं डोनेट करने वाली हूँ कोप विद कैंसर एनजीओ को विच इज़ इन महाराष्ट्र एंड क्या कहते हैं इसमें 12 इंचेस लेंथ जाएगी 12 इंचेस वुड बी आई गेस दिस मच एंड बिफोर दैट विल हैव टू रिमूव द स्प्लिट ऑल्सो सो दिस मच लेंथ मेरे बाल इतने चले जाएंगे एंड आई विल गेट अ न्यू लुक सो इट्स फॉर गुड किसी की हेल्प कर दी जाए सो उससे ज़्यादा अच्छी फीलिंग क्या ही हो सकती है सो लेट्स गो टू द सलोन वहाँ पे जाके उनको सारा प्रोसीजर समझाएंगे पहले तो कि कैसे करना है कैसे नहीं बिकॉज फुल प्रोसीजर होता है इसका एंड मैंने साइट को कांटेक्ट किया था थ्रू ईमेल सो दे सेंट मी द एंटायर प्रोसीजर फॉर दिस सो पहले तो सैलून वालों को एक्सप्लेन करेंगे व्हाट टू डू एंड हाउ टू डू एंड होपफुली विल डू द बेस्ट सो राइट नाउ लेट्स गो टू द सैलून और वहाँ पे जाके मिलते हैं
So we are at the salon. Before the haircut, the damaged hair are getting removed. The minimum hair length required for donation is 12 inches. So the hairdresser will be straightening my hair and then he'll measure them from the bottom and then finally he will tie them with a rubber band. After remeasuring, the hair will get cut from above the point of tying. The cut hair will be tied properly, then they will be combed in a very nice manner, and finally the hairdresser will blow dry them. Now I am taking a haircut of my remaining hair.
So finally I'm home and this is the new look. Itne kilograms of weight has been removed from my head. It feels like that. Well, let me show you this. The love of my life. देखो I brought this hair home. इतने सुंदर लग रहे हैं ना मुझे ये like so fascinating. And इसको blow dry कर दिया था हेयर ड्रेसर ने लेकिन अभी completely ऐसे dry नहीं हुए हैं so we'll leave it overnight so that it dries completely and after that we'll be packing it. Packing के लिए अलग से प्रोसीजर है like प्लास्टिक बैग में पैक किया जाएगा. After the plastic bag we'll be putting it inside this envelope. I bought it. It is like this. We'll be putting it inside it and then we'll write the address of the NGO and all and then I'll go to the post office for posting it. But for the time being आज तो इसको नहीं करूँगी because इसको अभी ड्राई होने देना है। एंड अभी ये यहाँ ऊपर से टाई हो रखा है ना, इसको यहाँ नीचे से भी टाई किया जाएगा। सो आई विल बी मेकिंग द ब्रेड और इसको कल करते हैं। एंड फॉर टुडे लेट्स स्टॉप द वीडियो। सी यू टुमारो।
The next morning.
सो गुड मॉर्निंग। एंड जैसा मैंने कहा था कि हम ओवरनाइट वेट करेंगे बालों को सूखने का। सो अब आज सुबह तक ये ड्राई हो गए हैं एंड दे आर इन अ गुड कंडीशन। और अब हम इसकी ब्रेड बनाएंगे और ब्रेड बनाने के बाद नीचे से भी रबर लगाएंगे एंड देन विल बी पैकिंग इट। सो लेट्स बिगिन डूइंग द ब्रेड। सो दिस इज इट लुक्स नाइस। एंड अब हम इसको पैक करते हैं। सो मैंने ये बैग चूज़ किया है इसको पैक करने के लिए। एंड इसमें आ जानी चाहिए, आ जाएगी इसमें। एंड लेट्स पुट इट। अब इसको हमने इसमें डालना है एनवेलप में। सो लेट्स पुट इट। So if you're watching this video for reference purpose, then I must say that contacting the NGO is the best thing which you can do, because in that they send you the complete procedure through an email. They do respond to you and that clarifies everything very nicely. So I opted that way, and with that whole procedure step by step I have completed this envelope of mine, and now I'll be going to post it. And what they said me that they will be sending an e-certificate of appreciation within 2 to 3 working days after they receive this parcel. So let's see how long does it take to get the appreciation certificate. Till then it's time to post this, and I am going to the post office. Bye.
After 5 days.
Hello, dear YouTubies. So it's been 5 days since I posted my hair, and today, finally, after 5 days, the entire process of hair donation has got completed, and I have finally got this, my certificate of appreciation. And I'm at the top of the world, I must say, because this is the best feeling. And if I go into the details, then I posted my hair 5 days prior and I sent a courier basically. And it was via India Post, and I speed posted it because it takes less time. And after 2 days, the NGO messaged me on my mobile number that we have successfully received your parcel and kindly reconfirm your particulars so that we write the correct information on your e certificate. And I confirmed all my particulars and replied them through my email. And after 1 day or 2 days, 1 or 2 days, yes, after 2 days, they sent me an email once again, and in that, they attached a PDF file in which this was given. And I downloaded that PDF file and then I took the printout of it and I got it laminated. And this is the result now. This is done. So this was the entire process of hair donation, and we can also share the images of our hair before getting them cut and after getting them cut so that we can specify the length which we donated. And we can also share our views regarding the hair donation, that what do we feel about donating our hair, what was the reason behind donating our hair, how did we get that idea in our mind, and how do we feel after donating our hair. And the NGO will be publishing our images on its website in a month or so. And that's it. So this was it in the video. I tried to explain and show each and every step of the entire process. And Still, if you have any doubt, you can type it in the comment section and I will reply to it. And if you like the video and find it helpful, then please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thanks a lot for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Goodbye.